Hey there, math enthusiasts. Have you ever noticed how some things just look right, like a butterfly's wings or a perfectly balanced equation? That's the magic of symmetry. And today I'm diving into why symmetry is the secret sauce in math. First off, symmetry is all about balance and proportion. In math, it's a way to describe objects that are mirror images of each other. Think of a heart shape. If you draw a line right down the middle, both sides match perfectly. That's symmetry in action, but symmetry isn't just about pretty shapes, it's a powerful tool in solving complex problems. For example, when solving equations, recognizing symmetrical patterns can help simplify things. For instance, in algebra, if you know one side of an equation, you can often figure out the other side by recognizing the symmetry. Cool, right? And it's not just in algebra. Symmetry plays a crucial role in geometry too. Ever heard of rotational symmetry? That's when an object looks the same after being rotated. Take a square, rotate it 90 degrees and it still looks the same. This concept helps in understanding shapes and their properties better. Symmetry also pops up in calculus, physics, and even in real-world applications like engineering and architecture. Engineers use symmetry to design stable structures, while architects use it to create beautiful buildings. So, next time you walk by a stunning building, remember symmetry might be at play. But wait, there's more. If you're as fascinated by symmetry as I am and want to dive deeper into the wonders of math, you should definitely check out Versatile Maths. They've got a treasure trove of resources and lessons that make learning math fun and engaging. From algebra to calculus, they've got you covered. So, to wrap it up, symmetry is more than just a concept. It's a fundamental part of math that helps us understand the world better. And remember, math isn't just about numbers and equations, it's about seeing the patterns and beauty in everything around us. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more math adventures. I'll see you next time.